Hi there. Is there any seeker like me who wants to grow? You will find my things interesting. I have a theory of organism. Like we have billion of cells in our body. They constitute a human being. And this hierarchy continues. Like our population of human beings collectively make the humanity. So this hierarchy continues up to the cosmic beings. There are cosmic beings which continuously are influencing us. We are catching the signals from those beings. Right now, I am speaking not from the memory, but I am speaking from this place where I'm catching those signals and speaking. So, this is possible for a human being. If anybody want, he can access this reality and can act in this world. So, we have to admit that there are beings higher than us. Those cosmic beings control everything. We are just a speck in this universe. So we must bow down to them and we must ask for anything in front of them because they can provide. They have capacities. They are bigger than us. So this is what I want to say. If anybody needs something, he can ask. If anybody don't need anything, that is okay with me because I don't need anything from you. That's it. There are much more realities.
तू तो चीज क्या है, ये तेरी राख तक को जला देगा।
पर इस लाइन से अगर तुम डरते हो तो तुम खुद से भी डरते हो। जब खुद से ही डरते हो तो सामना किसका करोगे? This is my gratitude towards him.